Well, good evening, YouTube. This is the second review of the day. Today's beer is... Sorry, my hair, I just got out of the shower. Today's beer is the Bud Light Lime-A-Rita. This is Bud Light product. It's came in their variety pack. They had the Mango-Rita, the Strawberry-Rita, the Lemon-A-Rita, Apple-A-Rita, and a few, I think, Grape-A-Rita. Margarita with a twist. Malt beverage with natural flavors and caramel color added. On Beer Advocate, it gets a... I can't find it on Beer Advocate. On Rate Beer, it gets a 3 overall and a 6 in the style. On Rate Beer, it is labeled a fruit beer. Now I think Lime-A-Rita, Beer Advocate, they give it a 62, which is poor, and they label it an American malt liquor. I guess it is technically a malt liquor, but I don't even think this is a beer. I don't know what it is. It's a margarita. 8% and natural flavors. Let me tell you something about natural flavors. That means nothing. There's no such thing as a natural flavor. There's no such thing as an unnatural flavor. Because everything is fucking natural. Natural just means it exists within nature. And everything obviously exists within nature. That pours a very bright white head that's foaming around very quickly like a Coke. It's soon going to dissipate, and there it goes. No more bubbles left. In the light, that pours a very, lemonade color. Whew. Smells like dark lime. Smells like lime with, almost smells like medicine. It says to drink it over ice. I'm going to start it without the ice and then add ice later to see how it changes anything. So yeah, back to the natural flavor thing. When it says natural flavor, it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean it's brewed with real limes. Because if it was brewed with real limes, it would say brewed with real limes. So, anyway, smells like a lot of lime, but also smells like a lot of chemicals added. So let's get a taste. I think I'm going to try it with the ice. Even acts like a Coke. When you pour more ice in a Coke, it starts to fizz up. Way too sweet for my taste. Tastes like a lot of lime. I think the alcohol in this beer is what's killing it. If that alcohol taste wasn't there, I think I would enjoy this beer a lot better, because I do love lime. Get past that, it is a little tasty. I did a review on this once, but I didn't particularly like my review on that, so I deleted it. Pretty much the same thing. I don't know. I mean, it's for what it... I wouldn't necessarily... Yeah, I wouldn't buy this to just, sip it down to be a refreshing beer at all. It says try it over ice. I don't know why you don't drink beer on ice. It tastes like a lot of sugar in a margarita. It's not even the lime, a lot of lime too, but I don't care about that. It tastes like there's way too much sugar in this margarita. That's what I'm getting. And this comes out of the Bud Light variety pack, as I said. For what this is, I mean, I don't know. I think this is classified as a malt liquor, not a fruit beer. And it says caramel color added. Well, let's go on Google. Caramel color. It looks more to the brown on Google what caramel color is supposed to look like. So how is this really? Maybe a tiny tad of a caramel color? Like, this is just artificial chemicals and I would say added alcohol. This is probably vodka that is what used for the alcohol in this, because I don't know what kind of sugar it is. It doesn't even taste like real sugar. It tastes like aspartame, if you ask me. I got that sticky taste in your mouth when your saliva sticks to the roofs of your mouth and then it's hard to swallow. I don't see a sell-by date on the bottle. Didn't really expect one, especially for this. Anyway, being 8%, it's not going to spoil anyway. I bought the small can because I didn't want to buy the big can and have to finish it because I knew that I wasn't going to like it. It's almost like a lemonade, kind of, or limeade. That's really what it tastes like, though. Too much sugar, though. Way too much, like, whatever they're using. Sugar, aspartame, corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup, malts, which I doubt. Yeah. Way too sweet for my taste. The smell, it tastes like, and I said this on my last review, I did this, tastes like an emergency. If you ever had those medicine emergencies, like vitamin C people drink in the morning, I used to drink them in the morning with my water, and it kind of tastes and smells like lime and feet. That's what this tastes like, kind of like feet. A lot of people I know love this beer. I had the Lime-A-Rita, to be honest, and the Lime-A-Rita wasn't that bad. It tasted better than this. This one was, I think, the first in the variety pack. And then they came out with the Lime-A-Rita, Strawberry-Rita, Grape-A-Rita, Apple-A-Rita, Raspberry-Rita. What else? Orange-A-Rita, I guess. I don't know. Any kind of fruit, they have a Rita for it. Anyway, I mean, that's it for this review, guys. This is going to be more of a bullshit review because this isn't really a beer. I know I wasn't going to go in, like, all biased. I guess, I mean, I tried not to be as biased as, but, like, when you're mixing two different types of alcohol, I don't really think you're going to get something that good. Well, I guess that's not true, because if you mix bourbon, no, actually, because you usually don't brew beer with bourbon, you age it in bourbon barrels. But this is like mixing beer and a margarita. This is just like making a margarita and calling it a beer. So that's why you don't know how to judge it. Even on the margarita, it's not the greatest margarita. I'm not going to put salt on the glass, you know. For a beverage, I guess it's decent. It's drinkable. It's not particularly amazing. It's not horrendous. It's not good. But I wouldn't buy this again. Definitely not. But I might try the other ones. Lime-A-Rita wasn't that bad. This one is worse. But anyways, if you like the reviews, as always, rate, comment, subscribe, request, comment down below. Let me know what you think. And see you next time. Poznansky's Beer Reviews. Out of a 10, I give this beer, or this drink, on drinkability, I'll give it a 5, because it is a little difficult to get past that flavor. that it is. Like, not the lime, that weird chemical flavor. As a beer, it gets... I don't say this often, but a 0, because it doesn't taste like beer at all. It's not beer, so it gets no rating for beer. It's a 0. Margarita, I'll give it a 4. As always, guys, rate, comment, subscribe, and request. Thank you.